Tired of feeling like you're flying blind when it comes to your service business? You know, those nagging questions like, are my technicians actually showing up on time? Or are my marketing campaigns actually bringing in paying customers? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into ServiceTitan, the all-in-one software that tracks everything. Running a successful service business is a juggling act. You're dealing with scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer communication, marketing, and more. It's easy to get overwhelmed and lose track of what's really working and what's not. That's where ServiceTitan comes in. Think of it as your business's secret weapon, a command center that gives you a 360-degree view of your operations. But what exactly does this powerful platform track? Let's find out. Key features and tracking capabilities. Scheduling and dispatch. ServiceTitan streamlines scheduling from start to finish. It tracks technician availability, customer appointments, and travel times. You can optimize routes for maximum efficiency, minimizing travel time and maximizing billable hours. Real-time updates keep everyone in the loop, technicians, dispatchers, and customers, ensuring smooth operations and minimizing delays. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. ServiceTitan acts as your central hub for all customer interactions. It tracks customer information, communication history, service history, and even customer satisfaction ratings. This data allows you to personalize your service, identify repeat customers, and build stronger relationships. You can segment your customer base and tailor marketing campaigns to specific needs. Job costing and invoicing. Say goodbye to manual paperwork. ServiceTitan automates job costing and invoicing. It tracks labor costs, material costs, and any other expenses associated with each job. You can generate professional invoices in seconds and get paid faster with integrated payment processing. The platform also tracks key metrics like average revenue per job, job profitability, and cost of goods sold. Marketing and sales. ServiceTitan provides a suite of marketing and sales tools to help you attract new customers. It tracks the performance of your marketing campaigns across different channels, such as online ads, social media, and email marketing. You can see which campaigns are driving the most leads and adjust your strategy accordingly. ServiceTitan also helps you manage leads, track conversions, and automate follow-up. Inventory management. Keep track of all your parts and equipment with ServiceTitan's inventory management system. It tracks stock levels, monitors inventory costs, and alerts you when it's time to reorder. This helps you avoid costly stockouts and ensures you always have the necessary materials on hand to complete jobs efficiently. Technician performance tracking. Want to know how your technicians are performing? ServiceTitan tracks key metrics like on-time arrival rates, job completion times, customer satisfaction scores, revenue per technician. This data helps you identify top performers, identify areas for improvement, and optimize your team's productivity. Benefits of tracking with ServiceTitan. Increased efficiency, streamlined workflows, automated tasks, and optimized scheduling lead to significant time and cost savings. Improved customer satisfaction, faster response times, personalized service, and proactive communication enhance the customer experience. Enhanced profitability, accurate job costing, reduced overhead, and improved operational efficiency boost your bottom line. Data-driven decision-making. Access to real-time data and insightful reports empowers you to make informed business decisions. Gain a competitive edge. With a deeper understanding of your operations and customer needs, you can differentiate yourself from the competition. Visuals and engagement. Use screen recordings and animations. Showcase the ServiceTitan interface and how key features work. Include real-life examples. Share success stories of how businesses have used ServiceTitan to improve their operations. Add a touch of humor. Keep things lighthearted and engaging with a touch of humor. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon and technical terms whenever possible. End with a strong call to action. Encourage viewers to learn more about ServiceTitan and schedule a demo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.